Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your LinkedIn account. So, let's get started. Open LinkedIn in your browser or app. If you have a LinkedIn Premium membership, belong to a LinkedIn group, or have a premium account license, you'll need to remove those first before you can permanently delete your account. Now, this is my basic account. If you don't have one, so that things and make your account a basic account before following this method. Now at the top right, click on Me in the top right corner. From here, click on Settings and Privacy. You'll see a bunch of options here. Choose the first option. The first option is already selected by default. Inside this option, you'll find many settings. Scroll down to the bottom. Now, under Account Management, you'll find the last option, Close Account. Click on it. Here, it will ask you, are you sure you want to close your account? You will lose your connections, messages, endorsements, and recommendations. Click on Continue. After that, it will ask you for the reason for closing your account. You can select any reason from the list. Then click on OK. Next, it will ask for your account password. Enter your password. There's a checkbox below. Unsubscribe me from LinkedIn email communications, including invitations. If you don't want to receive any more communications from LinkedIn, check this box. Now, click Done, and your account will be deleted. After deleting your account, if you ever need to recover it for any reason within 14 days, you can do so by entering your email and password. So, now you know how to permanently delete your LinkedIn account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Goodbye.